Veterans, welcome to my first unboxing. Some of you eagle eyes have already seen on the box, but let's see what we've got. Bum, bum, bum. So, better on us, we have the Nike Air Zoom Pegasus 36 Trail. As you can see then, we went for the Sequoia colour. Not sure how long that colour is going to last or stay like that. So it's got a perforated mesh and a synthetic upper. This apparently allows your foot to breathe. It's got the Zoom Air units in the heel and a 4-foot cushion to the stride. So I've got quite a wide foot, Veterans, so it's got a wide foot box or a wide toe box, gives me a roomier fit. And you can see the eyelets here, a little bit different to what would be normally. I'll have to see how we get on with them. Right, okay, so the weight. The weight for men's size 9 is approximately 291 grams. 291 grams. Offset then. So from the heel, you're looking at 23.5 down to the 4-foot. So from the heel to the 4-foot, 23.5 to 13.5 millimeters. That's an offset of 10 millimeters. I'm normally used to running with about 8 millimeters, to be honest. But yeah, it's a trail shoe. It feels a beautiful shoe, and this is also my first ever Nike shoe. So yeah, we'll see how these go, and we'll check in with a 15-mile review. Thanks for watching, Veterans. That concludes the unboxing of the Pegasus 36 Trail. If you like our videos, please subscribe and click the bell notification to notify you when we upload. Also, like the video.